Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now if your picking feels uneven or your fingers feel weak when you're playing an Irish tenor banjo, this video is going to fix both. Now, I'm going to show you two simple exercises that I give to all my beginner students for clean picking and proper finger strength. Now this exercise is just going to be using a metronome and you're going to need 5 minutes a day, a little bit of consistency, and this one will work wonders. We're going to start with an alternate picking exercise. Now by alternate picking, that just means down, up, on each string with the right hand. We're going to start with the low G and we're going to start with a downstroke, fret 1, up stroke, open G, downstroke, fret 2, upstroke, open G, down, fret 3, upstroke, open G, downstroke, and then fret 4, up. Now I'm using one finger per fret and then my plectrum's going down, up, alternate picking. I'm going to try it a little bit quicker. So once you've got your head around that idea, just get a metronome app or pull one off Google or YouTube. I've got one set up here at 90 BPM. If that's too fast, you can always slow it down. But again, with all of these exercises, gradually we just want to keep pushing that tempo up just to make it a little bit more challenging over time. So here's our 90 BPM click. I'll give us a count in. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, down, up, down, up, down, up. So again, nice little easy exercise there. Now we're going to move on to the next string. That's the D string, and we're just going to do the same exercise. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, using alternate picking and one finger per fret. Again, I'm just going to use the 90 BPM metronome. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So all notes are played on the click in time. Okay, just one little tip for this one. Just make sure that those fingers aren't flapping around and they're moving too far away from the string. We want to keep them fingers close to the string. That helps with speed and it's more economical. So we don't want to have them fingers too far away so that when we pull them back, it takes longer to catch the note. It will help with speed over time. Now, why this works? It's great for alternate picking on the right hand and finger coordination with the left. And it's a great one that a lot of beginners skip because it's maybe a little bit more boring. But if you really get this stuff down, it helps so much when learning tunes and proper songs, that sort of thing. So let's move on to exercise number 2. This one's a finger independence exercise. We're just going to start on the G at fret 1, the D, fret 2, A, fret 3, and then the E string, fret 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're simply just going to move that pattern along to start on frets 2, 3, 4, 5, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again, this one we don't need to alternate pick. I just want you to do down strokes on every string. So down, 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 down. This one's more for the left hand, okay? So I'm going to pop my 90 BPM click on again. We're going to have a little go. Here we go. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if that gets easy, you can always speed it up and make it more challenging. Okay, now again, if it feels a bit odd with that pinky, feels a bit weak, again, completely normal. Just make sure that you keep practicing it and the pinky will get a lot stronger over time. Now, a simple practice plan for this is 2 to 3 minutes on exercise 1 and then 2 to 3 minutes on exercise 2 every day for a week, and that will make a massive difference. Now, if you want a proper beginner roadmap for Irish tenor banjo, download my Banjo Basics ebook. It covers picking, chords, scales, arpeggios, and just gives you a little structured practice routine. Link will be in the description below, so do check that out. And if you found this video helpful, you need to watch this one right here, and I'll link that on the screen, and it's going to show you some essential practice steps to improve speed over time. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.